and welcome back to my channel. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for another favorites video, and this is just going to be my November favorites. As always, if you've missed any of my past favorites videos, I will have the playlist linked down below for you guys, as well as any of the products mentioned in this video in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. Some of the links may bring you to Amazon lists, but if you scroll, you will most definitely find the product that I am referring to. And now that I'm done talking a mile a minute, let's just get started. So most, if not all of my favorites are clothing and beauty. I think there is one random favorite, but other than that, they are all like beauty, hair care, skincare, and fashion related. We're gonna start off with what I'm wearing so I don't forget. The first up is this scarf. It is just a red plaid blanket scarf, and I got it on Amazon. The seller I got this from has a ton of different colors, and this was literally only $10. These scarves can be super expensive, and I also have noticed that I have a hard time finding them in stores. A lot of them are just like the traditional rectangular scarf. I, however, like the blanket scarves because they're shaped in a triangle. Some of them you have to like fold into the triangle. What's nice about this one is that it's already actually folded into the triangle for you. The scarf itself is literally just a triangle, which is nice. And to put it on, you literally just put it on and wrap it around, and then you're good. If you guys are following me on Instagram, which shameless self-promotion, like any other video, if you aren't, definitely do so. My Instagram is just Allie's__life. It is always linked down below. But if you are following me on there, then you've already seen both the sweater I'm wearing and the scarf that I'm wearing in a recent picture. And I actually got a bunch of DMs, which I don't normally get, related to where I got the items. So now you know. So the second item that I'm wearing that's a favorite is this sweater. It is just a mustard yellow sweater. I've been loving this, and it is from Old Navy, and I got it on sale for like $3. I'm guessing it's a last year sweater, but I'm gonna do my best to find a similar one for you guys, and we'll leave it down below. But I've been loving these two fashion items together recently. The scarf actually has yellow in it, so they kind of just tie together really nicely, and they're just perfect fall colors if you ask me. Sticking on the fashion favorites bandwagon, the next one is one of the Sherpa pullover sweatshirt thingies. It looks like this. I'm sure the second you guys saw this, you knew what I was talking about. And it is just one of those really comfy, soft, fluffy, cozy pullovers. I got mine from Sam's Club, and I believe they have it online for you to order. I saw a bunch of these in stores, and I tried them on. Didn't like the way they fit, didn't like the way they were. A lot of these are like full-on zips. This one is only a quarter zip, which means the zipper stops right here. And I did go ahead and get this a size bigger than I normally would. And the reason I did get it big is so that I can also wear a fleece underneath it if needed. Lately, I haven't had to. I've been getting away with this. It's actually quite warm, which is surprising. But if needed, I can go ahead and put a fleece on under it or another thick, heavy sweatshirt. I've also absolutely been loving just plain cotton long sleeve shirts. In particular, I have two that I've been wearing non-stop, and they're both great fall colors. This one is just a forest green, and this one is a navy blue. This one is from Ivory Ella. I'm sure a ton of you guys have heard what that is. Essentially, it is a company that donates a portion of their proceeds to raise awareness and help stop elephant poaching, because if you guys didn't know, elephants are literally hunted down and killed just for their tusks because they are made of ivory and sold for big money, and I think that is so wrong. And let me tell you, the Ivory Ella shirts are so soft. Like, I've never felt a cotton long sleeve shirt feel so soft in my entire life. They're so comfortable, and they have a ton of different colors, and also the elephants on the backs also have a ton of different designs. Mine is just a white paisley design. I have, I think, like 5 or 6 of these shirts, and let me tell you, I wear them all the time. And then another one I've been loving is just this one, and it is one of the Maine wildlife shirts. And we took a trip to LL Bean, and I saw this and really wanted it. And there are like a bunch of different colors. There's like a black one, a green one, and a red one, I believe, and they all have a different animal. Mine just has a buck on it. The coolest part about this is while we were there, I actually got to meet one of the game wardens. As for like showering care, I have 2 products. The first one is this. This is just the new Head and Shoulders Volume Boost Daily Hair and Scalp Conditioner. I did not get this for the volume part. I got it for the simple fact that it is a dandruff conditioner that can be used on your scalp as well. Most conditioners, if you use them on your scalp, they make your hair super oily and disgusting. This one does not do that, which is nice. And the other shower product I've been loving is this. It is just the Up and Up Skin Clearing Body Wash in pink grapefruit. It is a salicylic acne treatment, and it is the Target version of the Neutrogena one. I didn't necessarily get it for the entire acne part. I also like it because it's just a great body wash, and people are probably like, oh my god, it's got salicylic acid, it's like stripping things off your skin. I moisturize, I do all the things you need to do so that does not happen. I love the way this smells. Before I get into the beauty favorites, I'm going to show you guys my one random favorite for the month, and it is this. No, it is not the Bath & Body Works pocket bags that are in it. It is the container itself. This is one of the Pen and Gear V containers, I think they're called. You can can find them at Walmart. I have a ton of these. I have them all over my room. These are just great for storing things. I have one that is filled with like my Scentsy stuff. I have one that's filled with just like makeup. And then there's this one that's full of hand sanitizers. Yes, I do have a bit of a Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer issue. I am slowly working through all of them. But if you need like basic bins to organize random things so there's not any clutter around, highly recommend these. They're, I believe, like $1.50 or $2. Lastly, for my favorites this month, I have 3 beauty-related favorites. The first beauty-related favorites are these makeup sponges. They are knockoff beauty blenders from Walmart. I believe they're just the Walmart Equate brand, and they came in a pack of 4, and I scored big time with these because I got them for $2. They were in the clearance section, literally because you're not going to be able to tell, but this one has a little bit of a dent from where like it was resting against the packaging too long. I scored big time with these. I absolutely love these types of makeup sponges for putting foundation on. What's great about these is that they clean up well. They're affordable because I think regular price they were just $4, which would make them each $1, and like the real beauty blenders are like outrageously expensive for some like foam whatever this is made of. So I definitely scored and I've been loving these. Another makeup product I've been loving is this mascara, and I found out about this mascara from my cousin. Her eyelashes look so good, and let me tell you, I'm a huge mascara junkie. I probably have like at least 30 mascaras over in my makeup drawers. Getting to the actual mascara, it is just the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original Mascara. Mine is in the color Blackest Black. Of course, I'm not wearing it, but it literally gives your lashes so much volume. It looks like you got a lash lift or lash extensions, and it's literally just a mascara. The one downside to this is that it's not waterproof. I don't know if they have a waterproof one. I know that when I was getting this, they didn't have one at my store, and I literally looked all over, could not find a waterproof one. If they have a waterproof one, I think it would be a lot better than this one. It does run if you like rub your eyes or get them wet. That's why I like waterproof mascara, but either way, it is a great mascara. And lastly, for the month of November, I have been loving the Bath & Body Works Champagne Apple and Honey scent. It is such a good fall scent. I know they've had it in the past, but I don't think I've ever really smelled it. And in my last month's favorites, I had mentioned that I got a foaming sugar scrub from Bath & Body Works for 50% off during a sale. During that same sale, I got all of these, and they're literally all champagne, apple, and honey scents. I got the travel body spray. I got the pocket back because clearly I needed another. And I also have the hand cream. I absolutely love these hand creams, and I'm gonna be sad to see it go. I'm pretty sure it's just a seasonal scent, so end of summer, fall, maybe early winter. So I definitely need to go back ASAP and like stock up on more of these. I should probably get full sizes of things, but for now this is good and it's definitely been a favorite. So those are just my favorites for the month of November. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to let me know what your favorites are in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. I really hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!